According to a 2025 report by United Nations Environment Program every single minute equivalent of one garbage truck full of plastic is dumped into the ocean. Every single minute, if this continues by the year 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the sea. Single-use plastics are destroying the environment, harming wildlife, and even threatening human health. We must take a step to ban and replace them by sustainable alternatives. Today, I will discuss the environmental damage caused by single-use plastics, their effect on humans and animal health, and solutions that can help eliminate them. To begin, let's look on how single-use plastics are polluting our planet. Single-use plastics are the major cause of global pollution. According to United Nations Environment Program in 2025, between 19 and 23 million tons of plastic are leached into the ocean every single year. That's enough to fill thousands of garbage trucks. Plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose. Some can last from 400 to 1,000 years depending on the type. Even when they break down, they don't disappear. They simply become microplastics, and they can stay in our soils and waters forever. And these plastics are devastating to marine life. And sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, and birds, fish, and whales eat plastics or get tangled in them. In one heartbreaking case, a whale was found with 88 pounds of plastic in its stomach. If sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and eats it, it can choke or starve to death. This shows how single-use plastic can directly harm animals in the ocean. Now that we understand the environmental damage, let's explore on how plastic affects the health of humans and wildlife. Plastic releases harmful chemicals affecting the humans and animal health. According to the World Health Organization studies from 2022 and 2024, microplastics have been found in human blood, lungs, liver, and even placental tissue. Scientists have even detected them in human stool samples. That means plastic is literally inside us. These plastics release toxic chemicals such as BPA, sulfates, and diotoxins. These chemicals move up the food chain as fish and seafood consume them, and then we consume those fish. Over time, these toxins can cause hormonal problems, developmental issues, and immune system disorders. They enter our bodies through food we eat, the water we drink, and even the air we breathe. So plastic pollution isn't just an environmental problem. It is a health crisis affecting all of us. As we've seen, plastic harms both the environment and our health. Next, let's explore how solutions can reduce the impacts. The good news is that solutions exist and we can take action through the government policies, business innovation, and personal responsibilities. First, a government can play a leading role according to U.S. Environmental Protection Agency National Strategy to Prevent Plastic Pollution, released in 2024. A government can ban single-use items like bags, straws, and utensils and create incentives for companies to use sustainable materials. Second, businesses can help switch to biodegradable or compostable packaging. Restaurants, cabs, and delivery service can use plant-based plastics, recycle paper, and other eco-friendly alternatives. Third, individuals like us can take small but powerful actions. We can carry reusable bags, bottles, and utensils. We can avoid products with offensive packaging and take part in cleanup events. And we can make better choices, and we can reduce plastic waste and inspire others to do the same. Some say banning single-use plastic will hurt businesses by increasing costs and inconvenience for consumers who rely on plastic products like straws, utensils, or bags. But according to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency in 2024, while short-term adjustments might be necessary, the long-term benefits outweigh the cost. Reducing plastic production waste lowers cleanup costs and protects ecosystems and improves public health. Yes, change can be inconvenient, but protecting our planet, wildlife, and health is worth it. In conclusion, today I've talked about how single-use plastics are polluting the environment, harming wildlife, and threatening humans' health. These plastics can last hundreds of years, break down into microplastic, and enter our food and the water, posing risks to both humans and animals. Nevertheless, solutions exist, and the government can implement bans, businesses can adopt biodegradable alternatives, and individuals can reduce personal plastic use. By taking these actions, we can protect the environment and safeguard humans and animal health, reducing long-term damage caused by plastic pollution. Plastic pollution affects all of us. By supporting bans and adopting sustainable habits, and we can protect wildlife and our planet for the future. One small choice today can save oceans tomorrow.